Curious about how to post a trial reel on Instagram? Let me show you how to test your content and share it selectively before making it public. To get started, open the Instagram app on your phone. Once inside, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner to access your profile. On your profile page, look for the plus icon at the top and tap it. From the menu that appears, select Reel. You'll now see your device's gallery. Choose a video from your gallery or record a new one directly within the app. After selecting your video, you'll be taken to the editing screen. Here you can personalize your reel by adding music, text, stickers, or effects. Once you're happy with your edits, tap Next. On the next screen, you can write a description for your reel. Below the description section, you'll notice an option labeled Trial. Toggle the switch next to Trial to enable it. Finally, tap the Share to Reels button to post your trial reel. Your reel will now be visible only to non-followers and won't appear on your profile until you decide to make it public.